Here's a guide on how you can adjust the overall display zoom for your iPhone with iOS 26. Now, of course, this is a beginner's guide. Let's get started. Whether you have the latest iPhone or an older iOS software update, go into the main settings. And once you're here, this setting can be found within the display and brightness section. So you're going to look for this here. And when you go into it, you're going to see these different settings here, and just simply go down past all this here, and you're going to see display right there. And this is a default zoom in. It's not a temporary zoom in where you have to use your fingers to adjust the zoom in. And usually it would be set as default, and you can see that there is a difference in terms of the size. All the icons will be much bigger in the larger text option versus the default. So if you want your items to appear bigger than they should, go with the larger one. Be sure to press the check mark here to save it as the new setting, and you should be good to go. And if this guide helped you out, like and sub.